So let's draw it here. So you have like that, and this is at 0. And this is potential energy. And this is distance. So this is the distance between your two atoms, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what this is showing is that right here, so up here, let's see, right here is when they're really, really close together, right? And right here is when they're super far apart. So probably even more than that, right?
Okay.
So they're saying at a specific point, so at this specific point, that's where the least energy is. And everything in nature goes towards what's the least energy for them, because it takes less energy, might as well, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Might as well do it, because it's negative energy. So right here is where your 0 is. So up here is really high energy. You've got a lot of potential energy because, well, I guess what I told you was wrong before. Because apparently if they're really close together, that's a lot of energy because they don't want to be that close together.
Okay.
Sometimes, because once you get so close, because you have your nucleus, right, and then you have the electrons around it, right?
Mm-hmm.
But once you get so close together, so these electrons are attracted to this nucleus, right?
Mm-hmm.
And these electrons are attracted to this nucleus. But if you get so close, these are going to start repelling each other because the nuclei are positive, right? And so if you get really close, these are going to start repelling each other, and the electrons will start repelling each other, right? Because they're too close.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why this is really high in energy. But once you start getting a little bit further and further apart, right here is like where they like being, because that's just far enough away, but just close enough that the attraction is really good. Does that make sense?
But that's potential energy?
Yeah, because there's, yeah, I don't really know how to, yeah. Because it's not, it can't be kinetic energy, right? Because kinetic energy is movement.
Yeah.
So I guess that's the only classification of energy that works. I don't really know exactly why.
Okay.
Sorry. But it's just energy. So just think of energy.
Yeah.
So it takes a lot more energy for them to be really close. But once they get to this point, it's a lot less energy. But then once they get so far apart that they're not really attracted, then it's no energy at all because they're.
Because they're so far.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's.
And you like negative energy because that means it's really favorable for them. It's really easy for them to do it. Does that make sense?
Okay, yeah.